NEET MDS level quiz, dental anatomy and histology. What is the primary function of the cementum in a tooth? A. Anchoring the tooth in the socket. B. Protecting the pulp chamber. C. Facilitating chewing and grinding. D. Providing a smooth surface for food passage. Think about it. Correct answer. A. Anchoring the tooth in the socket. The cementum is a calcified tissue that covers the tooth roots. Its primary function is to anchor the tooth in the dental socket within the alveolar bone. While protecting the pulp chamber is essential, the main role of cementum is to provide attachment for the periodontal ligament, which helps stabilize the tooth within the oral cavity.